Today, Friday, 19th of November 2021, the Presidential Steering Committee on COVID-19 and Federal Ministry of Health, in collaboration with National Primary Healthcare Development Agency held the national flag of COVID-19 mass vaccination campaign at Eagle Square, Abuja. The flag-off was handled by Mr. Mustapha, Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Chairman, Presidential Steering Committee on COVID-19 remarks. In his speech, he admonished all citizens to show this as a national practice.
Spared no effort in accessing vaccines which were deployed in strategic manner so that the impact of the virus on all facets of our national life would be minimized. In addition to vaccines donated to our country, huge resources have been committed to ensuring that, one, our citizens have access to effective and safe vaccines. Two, awareness was adequately created to ensure that the vaccine hesitancy was minimized. Three, strategy was developed to target the vaccination of at least 70% of our eligible population for herd immunity. Four, infrastructure was developed nationwide to support the supply and delivery chain. And five, adequate manpower was recruited and trained to deliver the vaccines.
According to the situation report, COVID-19 vaccination reaching me, just about 5,985,000 persons have been vaccinated in the first dose, and 3,336,000 persons out of these have received their second dose as of the 18th of November 2021, and this is out of a total target population of 101,776,000 persons. From these figures, we can see that we are not where we want to be with the present pace of vaccination. And it is in this light that the Presidential Steering Committee, the Federal Ministry of Health, and the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency have reviewed the vaccine delivery strategy and decided to start the next phase of the National Vaccine Deployment Plan and to set up mass vaccination sites across the country with new strategies to reach more people faster. This means expanding vaccination points to all primary, secondary, and tertiary hospitals, engaging company-owned hospitals, engaging staff clinics, engaging private hospitals, and now using public spaces like this one here for fast access to vaccination for those who have been postponing their own vaccination and who will have opportunity even to casually get vaccinated.
I want to assure Nigerians not to listen to anti-vaxxers and conspiracy theorists that are out there trying to deceive and hoodwink many gullible Nigerians from taking the jabs. He has said that for Mr. President, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, PMB Buhari, to expose himself to this jab, the Vice President, the ministers, the SGF, everybody, including himself and others, to expose himself to this shows that this is not killing, that this is working and is going to help to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in the country. And he's asking everybody that this vaccine hesitancy that anti-vaxxers are encouraging should not be listened to. Nigerians should take advantage of this.
Vaccines to vaccinate all Nigerians, where there are accredited private health facilities as well, these private health facilities will be giving vaccines to vaccinate. So at this point, now that the vaccines are available, we are rolling out to the most hard-to-reach areas. A lot of these operational aspects will be handled by the subnational level. We are providing them with the support to make sure that they are able to get the job done, and we are confident that with the clarion call that we made to governors to also flag off and provide leadership in their states, that the vaccines are going to be available. We are sure that the governors will also replicate what has been done today by flagging off and also charging the stakeholders, traditional leaders, religious leaders, opinion leaders, political leaders, to make sure that people are brought to these vaccination sites, to the designated health facilities to get their vaccination. One thing that we keep saying is that 6 million Nigerians have been vaccinated. 6 million Nigerians cannot be wrong. 6 million Nigerians are safe and protected from severe forms of COVID-19, from death from COVID-19. The data is very clear. The evidence is now overwhelmingly clear that the COVID-19 vaccines are protective. We have seen the contextual data that exists within Nigeria. Over 80% of people who are dying from COVID-19 in Nigeria are those individuals who have not had their vaccination. This is really the evidence that we need to inform Nigerians that the vaccines are safe, that they are effective. One thing that we also have been telling Nigerians is the fact that these vaccines have some side effects, but these side effects are very minimal. Over 95% of people that take the vaccines come with no side effects or minor side effects, such as pricks, little swelling. Those are discomforts that we can bear. Right.
Honorable Malam Muhammad Musa Bello, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, in his remark, also advised Nigerians to join the government and come out in mass to be vaccinated. The honor of Abuja Chair FCT Council of Chiefs Alhaji Dr. Adamu Babagenusa stated that the mass vaccination is a strategy to increase the people vaccinated in Nigeria, and it has taken beyond primary health care to churches, mosques, private healthcare, public spaces, malls, event centers. We believe that with this, vaccination centers will be found in every axis of the country.